So I woke up this morning in New Mexico with our first tiny bit of snow, if you can see it there. On the Jeep, it's kind of hard to see because it's white as well. But yeah, made New Mexico. The pass behind us has about a foot, so we just made it perfect timing. And then we're gonna go just a bit more south, maybe to like Albuquerque, and then start heading east. I think we'll be safe from snow from that point on. At least any big snow that's gonna hinder us. Huh, sunshine. Get these paintings delivered, and then we're gonna go find heat and sunshine. See this cute little goat in the Jeep? It is officially snowing. I just had breakfast at this cute little place called Elda's. I think I'm saying that right. I'm in a one-horse town. Super tiny. Well, I stopped for breakfast, and by the time I got back on the road, this is what it's looking like. Oh man. So hopefully I can get far enough in New Mexico to outrun any serious snow, but it's sticky. So this is the situation. So we are in a little blizzard in New Mexico. I guess I didn't avoid the snow very well. Oh well, we'll survive. There's no way they're going to get so much snow that I won't be able to pass, so we'll be fine. It's going to be great. Everything's fine. It's fantastic. So Little Leaf and I are in the original Las Vegas, New Mexico. I don't know if there's anything to see here, but we made it through the blizzard. And I decided I wanted some chai tea, so we are stopping real quick to get some before we get back on the road. Huh, Sunshine? You got a little runny nose. Oh man. Little Leaf, I think you got some falfas on your head. You digging your whole face in there? Pulling it all out? Oh my goodness, girl, you're making a mess. You are lucky you're pretty. Looking a little nasty out. Some rain, but this is all supposed to end in like 15 minutes and then be sunny for the next day and a half. So, we'll just wait in the car the next 15 minutes and then we'll be in paradise for the next day and a half. This is Lake Sumner. And I want to go check out these other campsites before I commit to one. We're about to go over the dam. There's campsites down there. Let's go over this dam first. Then I was looking at where that white truck is down there. But we're not 100% if we want to camp down there. We're going to go check out the other campsite first before we commit. Little Reese just isn't sure her likes that one the most. Huh, Sunshine? Is it going to run around down there and get crazy? There's been a lot of wind though, so it would be nice. Alright, the weather finally broke so we could take a walk. It's nice out now. She needed some definite outside time. Too many days in the car. Too windy outside and cold and bitter up north. Oh, Sunshine. Now we're going to get outside a little bit. Oh man, so nice. This is beautiful. This is Lake Sumner in New Mexico. I have to share with you guys my little induction cooktop. I love this thing. It's pretty awesome. Just kind of does work. Of course, I can only use it when I have power, but it's a nice treat to mix it up. A little windy out here. But it's beautiful. Little Leaf's having her food over there. Most of it's blowing away, but you know, it's cool. For her homies. Alfalfa for her homies. Well, we had a nice walk this afternoon and she pigged out and I ate some chicken I hopefully don't get sick off of because my fridge stopped working and I cooked it and ate it anyway. Anyway, she's got all our toys. Little Leaf, you got all your toys here? You pulled them all out? You're so cute. I didn't even realize that. She's got all of her toys lined in front of her. Looking out the window. We met our neighbor. You can't see. He's a van lifer up there. Oh, there you go. His name is Mark, and him and I had a conversation for quite a while. The wind stopped just long enough for us to get a nice walk in down to the water and for me to make dinner. And then it started picking up and we bailed back into here. So it's late in the afternoon though. It's 5, so it's fine. I'm finishing my wine that I had started days ago. And we're just chilling. I have electric, so I have a little space heater going, keeping us cozy in here. And it's kind of nice. Yeah, so we're just relaxing. I think we needed this little break in the adventure. I usually post places for at least, 2 or 3 days, especially if they're really fun or beautiful. And we haven't stayed anywhere for more than a night. So. Just trying to leave the camp bathroom, but of course Little Leaf has to investigate the shower. This is like your 1100th shower, I think, Little Leaf. Scoot is hilarious. I swear to God, she must have been like a bathtub or shower designer in a past life. What do you think? Is it in the right spot? Is it a good one? Can we go now? No, not yet. You're not done checking this one out? You're the strangest look. Can we go back to the camps? What are you doing? She just can't leave it. It's a shower. It's amazingness. Just mind-blowing. Come on, I don't have all night. Go ahead, check it all out. Oh my goodness, go your nuthead. What do you think of this one? Is it a good one? Not too bad. Is that the good one? Uh-huh. All right. What do you think of that seat? Good distance? I have a 3-minute video of you hanging out in a shower. Nobody believes me, but this is what my goat does. When we go to campgrounds or anyone's house, she has to check out and hang out in the shower. Okay, so it's been, I don't know, maybe 10 minutes. She's still playing in the shower area here. Oh, can we go? Did I speak too soon? All right. Hallelujah.